now. Like 110, 120 now. This dude's definitely starting to speed up. Oh yeah, they're definitely moving like 120. Probably like 100. Yeah, they're probably cruising around like 100. It doesn't seem like the police officer's vehicle's topped out, but he's definitely moving. Oh, Jesus Christ. That dude smacked the back of that car. Wow.
The chase came to a
Oh
devastating
my
end
goodness.
when the suspect lost control and crashed into a vehicle ahead. The impact sent him flying off his bike into the left lane. Though he was initially breathing, his condition quickly worsened. In a desperate effort to save his life, the trooper performed